Keep it simple. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. We bring you the best recipes that are easy to make and delicious to eat. Today, we're making a classic southern dish, buttery cornbread. This recipe is perfect for serving alongside chili, soup, or just on its own as a snack. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup yellow cornmeal, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 cup buttermilk, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, melted, 2 large eggs. Instructions: preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the all-purpose flour, yellow cornmeal, granulated sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs until light and fluffy. Add the buttermilk and melted butter, and mix well. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, and stir until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the batter, as this can make the cornbread tough. Pour the batter into a greased 8-inch square baking dish. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cornbread is golden brown and a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let the cornbread cool in the pan for 5 minutes before cutting it into squares and serving. And that's it. This easy buttery cornbread recipe is perfect for any occasion, and it's sure to be a hit with your friends and family. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when we upload new videos. See you next time. Thanks for watching.